this kind of people, I don't even pity for them. Look at the other one is already crying. Look at who is crying. They catch you with a newborn baby where you are not the mother of the baby. You are crying. Can you carry your own child inside that nylon bag? Can you do that to your child? Welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing well. Thank you so much for always coming back to watch my video. To my returning subscribers, God bless you. To my host subscribers, God bless you. To my new subscribers, thank you so much for clicking on this channel. God bless you for stopping by. So my people, if today is your first time, my name is Evelyn. I'm a Nigerian YouTuber based in Italy, Bergamo. So in this my channel, we do a lot of things. We motivate people. We also talk about marriage, friendship, talk about life, things we see on inside life, just about what I'm going to discuss with you guys today. Okay. There was a video I saw yesterday. I was supposed to make this video yesterday, but I was so busy I could not make the video that yesterday. So I said no, today I'm still going to talk about it. Okay. So this video, there was two ladies which they catch with two nylon bag with a baby inside. Guys, I'm still catching cold, okay? When I saw that video, I wasn't happy about it. Look at what this world is turning into. Children being seen inside shopping bag. My goodness. Who are the mothers of those twins they just saw with those two criminals? Who knows how they get those babies? When I saw that video, I felt so bad. These things, people have not changed from it. They are still doing it in that country. I don't want to mention the name. This is so bad though. Eh? Look at the way the baby is just licking his hand. Guys, I'm going to leave you guys to, let's just watch the video together. Okay? We need to watch this video together.
Madam, what do they inside that bag? Eh? Now baby, who put that baby inside there? Who beat you? Now you put her. Somebody beat her. You put her, can't let go where? Did they go give your auntie? I better remove that pikin from inside that bag. Remove that pikin from inside that bag. Remove that pikin from inside that bag. Remove that pikin. Madam, now person, this kid is still there alive. He's still there alive. And you put her inside bag. I take pass all those. I take pass. You, even this one, the pikin there too. I remove her from inside bag. Remove her from inside bag. Remove her from inside bag. Remove her. Remove her from inside bag. Remove her from inside bag. Remove her from inside bag. Remove her from inside bag.
Honestly, when I watch this video, I shed tears. What is all this? Now, what kind of money these two women are looking for now? They're not carrying people's babies just to be selling. You see, this kind of people, I don't even pity for them. Look at the other one is already crying. Look at who is crying. They catch you with a newborn baby where you are not the mother of the baby. You are crying. Can you carry your own child inside that nylon bag? Can you do that to your child? God really is alive. God is a great God. He wants those two children to be alive. Upon when they put them inside nylon bag, they are still licking their hand. Maybe inside the nylon, so they will be licking the nylon. I don't know how many children they have said, those criminals. They need to pay for their crime. They don't need to pity for them. This is so bad. That country, it is where you will see they will be carrying small girls that does not even, like maybe they are pregnant, their parents did not even know. They will go and harm them for that place. God, this thing is so horrible. So horrible. As a mother, if you have feelings watching this video, you will understand what I'm talking about. What kind of money these two people are looking for now? Carrying people's children, put them for line, or it could be maybe that woman, the mother of the children now. I've not really listened to this story because I was so busy. After making this video, I have to go and search because I want to know more about that story. Please, if you know more, please write it for me under my comment section below. you know. Because when someone sent me the video yesterday, say, look at this video, I was like, oh my God, I could not believe my eyes. I could not believe my eyes. Like, seriously? Just carried 2 babies inside nylon bag and you are even crying. Baby is in your hand inside nylon, you are crying. So are you a victim? Can you imagine how these women making money these days? The other time I saw a video that was years back when a woman, they catch her with a baby. Whether he said the baby to somebody, later they were asking for the baby. Whether he said the baby, I don't know whether it's 1 million. When there was, if you guys saw the video, can you imagine? Please, if you are looking for the fruit of the womb, go to hospital, do the needful. All the necessary tests they ask you to do it. If you cannot do it, don't steal baby. Go to the motherless babies home. Go and adopt your own child. Instead of you stealing baby, training them, because that country now where there is no data numbers. Most children now does not even have documents. You cannot tell the parents of those children because there is no document to, identify. What documents? Is not a country where there is obligatory when you give birth to a child, like here. In under 24 hours, they will order you to go and make the baby's documents. 48 hours. They will give you 48 hours. You will register those children. Immediately now, once they will know who gave birth to those children. But in that country, there is nothing like that. There is nothing like that. Children are moving up and down, no document, nothing. Everybody just walk. Oh my God. So bad. Guys, this is so bad. They need to do something about this criminal's act that people will be stealing baby and be selling it. It's these days now, you will just see someone you will not see the person being pregnant in that Nigeria. The next thing you see with the baby, say he traveled to go and give birth for Abuja. So we say they go to India. So we say they go to Malaysia. All the name of you want to be a mother. Deep inside you, you know you have done something wrong that is against Christ. God is against something. You can't steal baby to make it your own child. Better still go to the motherless baby home. Go and look for one. Be taking care of them, helping them. You never can tell. God may also bless you there. Instead of stealing people's children just to become a mother. This thing has been going. You will see home. People they will just put women there, be impregnating them, pay them money, born the baby, they will go. What is all this now? What is causing all this? It is because of the way the environment is, the way the society, government have not been taking care of their citizens. There is no work, there is nothing. People will graduate, they cannot get work. So people cannot even go to school because their parents cannot finance everything they need. Cannot pay for their school fees. So many things. Hand robbers everywhere. Kidnappers. When you go to Nigeria now, you cannot sleep with your 2 eyes. All because of this kind of evil acts. People want to make money overnight. They don't even care how they make the money. Whether they steal their sister's children or their neighbor. Whoever have the children. How that person even managed to get that children now, we don't even know. Oh my goodness. This is so bad, guys. I felt so bad. I shed tears. Seeing those children inside that nylon bag, oh my God. So bad. What kind of money are you people looking for? This is not a way of making money. You'll be patient. Be patient. Selling babies, what are you going to gain by selling babies? So you will sell a child, use that money to feed yourself and your children? How do you feel as human? How do you feel? This is so bad, guys. They need to stop this evil act. People that is selling baby, you people should stop. I believe those people they catch now, they are from family. They have condemned their family now because everybody that knows them now will be running away from them. Maybe all the children they have been stealing in that area now, they will not go and pay. They need to pay. I don't believe those twins they saw in is the only baby they are ever steal. They have been stealing it before. They need to pay for their crime. I do not pity for such people at all. This is so bad. Please, advise your junior ones at home. Tell them to be patient for God. This thing needs to change. This stealing baby, they need to change from this evil act. People have been doing it, but this evil heart needs to change. Another thing about Nigeria, you see they are even talking with the woman, and the baby is inside the bag. They should have collected the baby first. Collect the baby. You want to go and give it to your auntie? Your auntie, they enclose in leg. She don't know what to do. If her leg cannot open, can't she do what the needful? Go to the hospital. Baby, you want to go and give it to your auntie? That's your auntie. They need to bring that auntie out. We need to see that auntie. That auntie that sent you to go and steal baby for her. That auntie needs to be brought out. You can tell there is no auntie, they are selling it. But those people that is buy those babies from them, they need to be taken care of. Because they are desperate of having children. Sending people to go and steal children just for you to be happy. You want to be a mother, you don't want to go in a very genuine way. Go to the motherless babies home. Adopt a child. Be a good to all these motherless home. Help them to take care of those babies. Instead of you to be sending people to go and steal children for you. When is all these things is going to stop? Please, my people should stop stealing babies. Stop stealing babies. There are some people that will get pregnant. Maybe their parents send them away. They will go and give birth to those children. They will not be selling it in outside. And also, African parents, they are not helpful in this area. We will see a little girl will be pregnant. The mother will send them away. That child now, what did you expect? You will go outside now, you will want to do something like this. You may burn the child and give it away. Because they have no home for the baby. The parents have already sent the child away. They will give it, later they will come back home. This attitude also, African parents need to change. When a child is pregnant, they will beat the child mercilessly. They will maltreat and throw the child outside. They don't even care how the child will be filled. We know some children are so stubborn, but when it happens like this, you have to look for a way to take care of your child. Don't throw them outside. If not, it will end up with something like this. It may be that the person that gave birth to this child now, the parents did not even know she's pregnant. Because I'm thinking about two ways. Or they steal the baby, or somebody give them willingly, because people can do that. They can, have a baby and sell it out. They can sell the baby out. It may be. We don't know. Please, my people, let's stay away from evil acts. I'm done for this video today because this thing is so painful, honestly, guys. I know you guys have already saw the video, but I feel pains when I watch this video. Honestly, so painful, so heartbroken as a mother. Honestly, those people need to face the law. Anybody that acts like this need to face the law. If you are doing things like this, do not try it again. Go and ask for forgiveness. Ask for forgiveness. God will listen to you. Thank you so much, my people. If you are new here, you are welcome. Thank you so much for watching my video. I really do appreciate you. God bless you. Please subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed, and like the video. Leave your comment down below. Let me know what you feel about this video, guys. Thank you so much. See you guys on our next video. Bye.
Like a little baby, oh, you watch over me. You know they use me.